Not many things in life are better when they're smaller. That includes your salary, your savings, and your dinner portions. But the small size of the D2GW range of switches from Omron will leave you impressed when integrating them into your next project. The maximum operating voltage of the D2GW is 13.5 volts DC with a resistive load of 10 milliamps. The D2GW range of switches are IP67 rated, making these ideal for dustproof and waterproof applications. These sealed switches are resistant to vibrations between 10 and 55 Hz with a vibration amplitude of 1.5 millimeters, has a minimum life cycle of 200,000 mechanical and electrical operations, and can withstand shocks up to 300 meters per second squared before facing mechanical malfunction. And the use of press-fit terminals allows for the D2GW to be used without soldering, which eases installation. And the operating temperature range of -40 to 85 degrees Celsius allows for use in most applications and environments.